viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join my YouTube family. What is that one thing in makeup which we all struggle? Yes, the perfect base, which is very difficult to achieve, but you can achieve the perfect base if you follow this step, which I'll include in today's video. So today's video is all about achieving a perfect base, and for that you need a perfect foundation. And there is no better option than is the newly launched foundation from Sugar in the name Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation. It is a full coverage foundation, and I'm so excited to show you guys the coverage. You will not need concealer because it is full coverage. It hides all your pigmentation scars. So let's just begin. Before applying base, you need to prepare your skin very well, and for that I have used Sugar Cosmetics primer, the illuminating moisturizer, and this primer. So to achieve a perfect base, you need to follow few steps which are very important, and the first one is to prime up your skin. So for priming up, I have used these two products. This is the moisturizer and this is illuminating moisturizer, which will prime up my skin, hydrate my skin. So it is very important to hydrate your skin. You prime up your skin before applying foundation. Coming to the second point, it is very important to have and detect your shade. You cannot go with a lighter shade else it will turn grey. So for that you need to judge a proper shade which suits your skin. So for that I'm gonna show to detect your foundation. So here I have 4 shades from the range Sugar Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation, and I'm gonna swatch it for you guys, and then I'll judge which foundation goes well on my skin. So the first shade we have here is 07 Vanilla Latte. So let's just check, swatch it. Okay, so you can see the coverage, guys. It is a full coverage foundation, and talking about the packaging, it is travel friendly. So I just love the packaging. I can carry it wherever I want it to. Second shade we have here is Tan Latte, and just swatch it. They are quite similar shade. Number 3 is 35 Frappe. Let's swatch it. You can see it's a quite dark shade for me. Fourth and last shade is 52 in the shade Corato, and this is the darkest shade among the 4 shades. So I'm confused between this two. So this two will not go on my skin, but I'll show how can use a darker shade of foundation in makeup. So stay tuned. And for base, I'll be going for 07 Vanilla Latte. Why not this one? Because this one is a little bit yellow and my skin is cool. So you need to judge that what undertone you have, warm or cool. So I'm gonna go for Vanilla Latte. So now let's just apply foundation, and my shade is 07 Vanilla Latte from this Rage for Coverage 24-hour foundation from Sugar Cosmetics. And to apply my foundation, I'm gonna use a flat foundation brush. You can also apply it with hands, but it is more hygienic to apply with foundation, and I'm gonna blend up my foundation with Beauty Blender. So taking a little amount of foundation on my brush and then applying. You can see, guys, the coverage. You will not need any concealer. You can see the clear difference, and this is because it is a full coverage foundation. I haven't applied concealer, guys, so you can see how well coverage it is. You must try it, guys. If you have dark circles, you want to invest in a product which does work as a concealer too, so you must go with this one. Wow, I'm really amazed with the coverage it has given to my face. So now I'm gonna cover up my whole face with this full coverage foundation. Only applying foundation doesn't make your base even. You need to buff, you need to blend it with the help of damp Beauty Blender. So I'm just dabbing it. You can also use a buffing brush. See how beautifully it is blend. So you need to use a beauty blender and you have to dab it. Okay, so coming to mistakes we make while purchasing online. If you have ordered any dark shade which doesn't suit your skin, so don't be upset. You can use it as your contour. So I'm just using the shade 52 and I'm applying it all over my face where I need to contour. And now with the help of blender, I'm gonna blend it. And you can see a proper sharp face with the help of contour. So if you have dark foundation, do not worry. You will use it as a contour from now. Same goes with the lighter shade. If you have a lighter shade, you need to apply it on the lightening points, which is under eye, chin, cupid, and center of forehead, bridge of nose, and your proper contour will be achieved. Okay, so I have blended up the foundation very well. Now it is very important to apply powder to set the foundation. So for that I am going to use Sugar's loose powder. With the help of powder brush, just dab it and it sets the foundation very well. Now I'm gonna do a quick eye makeup and show you the final look, guys. And here we go with a flawless base, which I have achieved with the help of super awesome foundation newly launched by Sugar, which is this Rage 4 Coverage 24-hour foundation. This is a must try product, guys, and you can check out the complete range on Sugar's website. And I have achieved complete look using Sugar products only, and I'm a big fan of Sugar Cosmetics, and I would love you to try this new product, which is Rage 4 Coverage 24-hour foundation. If you are in search for full coverage foundation, you must try it, guys. This is worth trying, and you can see the result on my face. It has just covered all my blemishes, and I am a big fan of this product now. When you achieve a perfect base, it is very important to fix it with a makeup fixer, and I'm going to use Sugar Cosmetics makeup fixer. Once it dry and your makeup is set and long, makeup fixer increases the stability of your foundation, so it is very important to set it. So this was a complete foundation tutorial to achieve a flawless base. I hope you found this video helpful. Do hit the like button, guys, if you love the video, and you just need to follow these steps and you will be there good to go. Do comment down if this video was helpful to you. Also comment down your foundation hacks to achieve flawless base. I would love to read your comments. You can check out the entire range of Sugar Cosmetics on the Sugar Cosmetics site, so do check out. And if you want this kind of base, the flawless base, you can go for this foundation. It is a full coverage. This product here is worth appreciation because not only it is full coverage, but it evens down your complexion, also corrects your pigmentation, which is actually a work of concealer, but this foundation is bang on. Also, you can see it has given a natural finish to my face. So if you are a makeup lover and you want a satin finish, this is the product you need. So at last, I just want to give a big thumbs up to this product, and what you have to do, you just need to go to Sugar website and check out the range and get your perfect shade, and you're good to go. So this was all about today's video. I hope you guys loved it. Do hit the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you guys have subscribed already, I love you guys, you know it, right? So I'll be coming back with more videos, more hacks. So stay tuned. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you guys. Love you.